How would you say Mpox is transmitted?
So mainly transmitted through, the vesicles that I said you start having during the rash that progress to become like a pus collection. So that fluid in the rash, that is where most of the transmission is happening in South Africa, where contact with those kind of lesions will transfer the fluid onto your hands, and then it transfers from your hand, whether into your eyes, your mouth, and then it's transmitted that way. Unlike COVID, it's not mostly transmitted in the air. But if you've got someone with Mpox and is isolating in a room that's poorly ventilated over a long period of time, it's quite rare, but it can then accumulate in the room. So that's why it's important when you're isolating that you're in a well-ventilated space to reduce that.
Windows,
yeah, exactly.
Just making sure there's
exactly
air passing through.
But also note that if I've got the rash and I'm scratching, and I then use my hands to touch multiple surfaces, and other family members will come and do the same, it is also transmissible that way.